Florence Nightingale was a very well-known nurse. Florence Nightingale, known as the Lady with the Lamp, was a British nurse, social reformer and statistician, best known as the founder of modern nursing, and made outstanding contributions to the knowledge and improvement of public health. Florence Nightingale's birthday. Florence Nightingale was born on 12th May 1820. Since 1974, each year on 12th May, her birth anniversary is celebrated as International Nurses Day to mark the contributions that nurses make to society. Florence was born in Italy. She was born in Florence, Italy, into a wealthy family. She was named after the city of her birth. Her parents were William Edward Nightingale and Frances Nightingale. She had one older sister named Frances Parthenope. She grew up in Derbyshire and Hampshire in England. Florence was lucky to get an education. At that time, when Florence was a youngster, most girls did not go to school. In fact, many did not receive any education at all. However, her father thought it was important, and so she was very well educated. He gave his daughters lessons in lots of different subjects, including English, science, history, and maths. Florence's determination to be a nurse. In Victorian Britain, wealthy women like Florence were not expected to work. Their job was to marry and look after the home. But Florence saw something very different for her future. When she was 16 years old, she believed she heard a voice from God calling for her to carry out important work to help those suffering. She wanted to be a nurse. William tried hard to change his daughter's mind, but Florence was determined. In 1851, he allowed Florence to study nursing at a Christian school for women in Germany. She trained up other nurses. By 1853, she was running a women's hospital in London, where she did a fantastic job improving the working conditions as well as patient care. Florence trained nurses and wrote books to make sure that all nurses had the knowledge to be successful. One of her most well-known books is Notes on Nursing, What It Is and What It Is Not. The book served as the cornerstone of the curriculum at the nursing schools, though it was written specifically for the education of those nursing at home. Florence helped in the Crimean War. Florence Nightingale helped in the Crimean War by bringing over volunteer nurses to look after British injured soldiers in the Scutari Hospital in Turkey. The hospital was in a terrible condition. Together with her team, she cleaned the wards, set up a hospital kitchen, and provided the wounded soldiers better medical equipment and food with quality care. She made the hospitals cleaner. Florence made sure that hospitals were kept clean to stop the spread of illness. A lot more patients recovered because of the better care that they received. Hygiene is very important in places where viruses can be spread quickly. She was named Lady with the Lamp. Florence Nightingale truly cared for her suffering patients. At night, Florence carried a lantern with her when she would visit the soldiers to make sure they were comfortable, so the soldiers would call her the Lady with the Lamp. The Royal Red Cross Medal. Queen Victoria awarded the Royal Red Cross Medal to Florence in 1883. She was the first person to ever be awarded this. Last days of Florence Nightingale. She was greatly appreciated for everything she did for nursing and saving the lives of thousands of people. In 1907, Florence became the first woman to receive the award Order of Merit. Florence suffered from illness for much of her later life, largely because of her hard work helping sick people. In fact, during her final 40 years, she spent many days confined to her bed. She passed away on 13th August 1910, but she will forever be recognized as the founder of modern nursing. Thanks for watching.